I decided to do a little bit more ammo testing with my Ruger LCP as I was out at the range today, starting out here with some Armscor 36 grain jacketed hollow point. I guess I'm a glutton for punishment. I wanted to try a different type of Winchester Super X. This is 40 grain plated round nose, 1300 feet per second, what they consider super speed ammo. And it worked exactly as I expected all the bulk ammo to work. So I know a lot of people were saying that they expected the Winchester white box to perform crappy, but in my experience in the past, what you're seeing here with the reliability is about what I normally see out of the Winchester white box bulk packs. I had one failure to eject out of all the Winchester Super X I put through the LCP II today, and I don't really consider that a failure. That was just the case swelling up or getting stuck because the chamber was getting dirty. Overall, I put more than 60 rounds of Winchester Super X 1300 feet per second plated round nose through the LCP, and I had no issues. Let's switch back to the Armscor here. Now let's try some 40 grain Blazer lead round nose. This stuff tends to be somewhat unreliable when you're using it. I would definitely not carry it. Usually for target shooting it's okay, but as you can see, I did have a couple of hang-ups here. I had some that did not fire. When I put them back in the magazine and rotated them, they did fire. So of course I would never carry this with me if I use this as a backup gun, but I always like to find out what ammo it does and does not like. Overall, this was a very successful range trip. The Armscor worked fine, and this particular Winchester Super X worked fine as well.